Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking some wonderful scallops. So I've got these beautiful scallops here I picked up from my local fishmonger. Absolutely gorgeous, lovely rows on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them in the embers, give them a little smoke, and then finish them off in a pan with a bit of garlic and lemon butter, and these are going to taste amazing. Okay, so let's see how I've done. Look perfectly cooked, nice and soft and juicy. Oh wow. So you get a lovely bit of smoke from cooking it on the embers, and you get a nice sweetness of the scallop, bit of garlic, bit of lemon, and oh, that's really good, really nice. I'm going to go in and have a little taste to make sure. Taste of the sea and that smoke is just wonderful. Really pleased with this. Fantastic recipe. Hope you like it too. And remember, if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a button down there. Subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like my videos. Cheers.